Welcome to NIT Polytechnic online learning platform. We'll bring you the most relevant content in a most attractive digital format. Myself, Professor Anand Giradkar, Senior Lecturer, Department of Civil Engineering, NIT Polytechnic Nagpur. Today we learn Unit 3, Dams and Spillway, and topic is 3.2.1. Now, after completion of this video lecture, the student will be able to CO-map, maintain irrigation structure, LO-map, suggest suitable measures to maintain the given earthen dam with justification, and PO-map are PO1, PO2, PO3, PO4, PO5, PO8, PO9 and PO10. Now, in last lecture, we learned definition of dam, dam classification according to use, dam classification by hydraulic design, and dam classification by material, and also label sketches of earthen and gravity dam. Now, earthen dam. Introduction. What is earthen dam? Earthen dam means the dam which are constructed purely earthwork in the trapezoidal section. It have been constructed long time past. They are constructed with the natural material just like as stone and clay, soil, etc. The construction of earth dam up to 1930 was based mostly on experience, but nowadays, with the advanced knowledge of soil mechanics, these dams are designed and constructed on scientific basis. With the increased knowledge of behavior of soil, the development of earth moving machinery, earth dam can be constructed economically even up to the height of 250 to 300 meters. Now, earthen dam typical cross section. This is the earthen dam which are already discussed and constructed in trapezoidal in generally constructed in trapezoidal in section, and this is the outer cross section of the earthen dam. This is the upstream slope. Upstream slope means जो साइड में वाटर स्टोर होता है उसको अपस्ट्रीम बोलते हैं, और उसके दूसरा जो साइड होता है उसको बोलते हैं डाउन स्ट्रीम स्लोप. लेकिन अर्धन डैम में वाटर ओवरटॉप नहीं होता. ठीक है, ये बात ध्यान में रखने का. दिस इज द रोडवे, दिस इज द फ्री बोर्ड एंड दिस इज द रिजर्वायर. Okay, then this is the typical cross section of earthen dam, and this diagram is very important, generally frequently asked in exam. So, cross section of earthen dam, this is the hearting zone, this is the casing, this is also casing, this is the upstream casing and this is the downstream casing, this is the cut off trench. Okay, this is the pitching. Okay, this is the top of road, this is the turfing, this is the drain, and this is the burn. Okay, and this is the toe, and this is the toe drain, this is the L drain and X drain. Okay, now कंपोनेंट्स विथ फंक्शन. जो भी अपन ने अभी पार्ट्स देखे हैं, इसके एग्जाम में कोई भी चार कंपोनेंट लिख के उसके फंक्शन लिखने के लिए आते हैं. ओके, सो फर्स्ट पार्ट और कंपोनेंट ऑफ earthen dam is the hearting zone. This color line shows the hearting zone of the earthen dam, and this is the very important components of the earthen dam. Okay, just like as human heart. Okay, so hearting, it is also known as core. It forms the central impervious section constructed with clay soil, silty clay loam, etc. It is compacted at optimum moisture content. It provides water tightness to the dam and adequate shear resistance against sliding. It controls the seepage flow through the body of dam. So component अगर बोलते हैं तो फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट इज हार्टिंग. इट इज कंस्ट्रक्टेड बाय क्ले सॉइल एंड सिल्टी सॉइल. सिल्टी सॉइल या क्ले सॉइल से ये बनता है. ओके, it is generally in triangular or small trapezoidal in section. Okay, it is compacted at optimum moisture content. मतलब लेयर बाय लेयर ये यहाँ पे सॉइल डाल के उसमें वाटर डाल के उसका अच्छे से कॉम्पेक्शन करेंगे. कब तक? ऑप्टिमम मॉइस्चर कंटेंट. ओके, और इसका फंक्शन क्या है? सो these are the two functions of hearting. It provides water tightness to the dam and adequate shear resistance against sliding. It controls the seepage flow through the body of dam. Okay, then next is the casing. Okay, so the part in between blue line means hearting and pitching, and this outer line shown in red color. ओके, इसके बीच का जो ये जो पोर्शन है इसको बोलते हैं केसिंग. दिस इज द अपस्ट्रीम केसिंग एंड दिस इज द डाउनस्ट्रीम केसिंग. सो इट फॉर्म्स द आउटर पोर्शन ऑफ द डैम. इट इज कंस्ट्रक्टेड विथ मुरूम, सॉफ्ट रॉक और sand and gravel. It is compacted at its optimum moisture content. Casing provides a cover to the hearting, protecting it from cracking. It develops shear resistance against slip and provides stability to the dam. It also helps in drainage. These are the functions of casing. Okay, then part of component third component part of earthen dam is the cut-off trench. Cut-off trench, it is excavated below ground level under the hearting zone and filled with clay soil well compacted. The function of cut-off is to prevent or reduce seepage flow through the pervious foundation. It prevents piping of dam to the foundation. Means ये जो फंक्शन है इसको पाइपिंग बोला है. मतलब दिस इज द अपस्ट्रीम जोन. ये अपस्ट्रीम जोन का जो वाटर है ये ऐसा सीपेज होके इस टाइप से ये बाहर ये इस साइड में जाने का कोशिश करेंगे. सो ये क्ले कट ऑफ ट्रेन से क्या होगा, ये जो फ्लो अंदर से जाएगा उसको ये कट ऑफ ट्रेन ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट करेगा. इसलिए यहाँ पे दिया है द फंक्शन ऑफ कट ऑफ इज टू प्रिवेंट और रिड्यूस सीपेज फ्लो थ्रू द pervious foundation. Okay, it prevents piping of dam through foundation. Then next is the rock toe. Okay, now rock toe, this portion is known as the rock toe. Rock toe is the last constructed part of the earthen dam and which is constructed with rock. So it is known as the rock toe. Okay, it is constructed from rock pieces or boulders larger than 20 centimeter in size. It helps to prevent slogging of toe due to the seepage flow and increases the stability of dam. मतलब कि इधर से दिस इज द अपस्ट्रीम साइड ऑफ डैम, मतलब ये जो वाटर का प्रेशर होता है और ये प्रेशर से क्या होगा, ये जो डैम है ये इस टाइप से टिल्ट होने का कोशिश करेगा, तो उसको स्लॉगिंग होने से या स्लाइडिंग होने से ये रॉक टो प्रिवेंट करता है. सो दिस इज द function of rock toe. Okay, then next is the photo. See the photograph of rock toe. This is the earthen dam. Okay, and this is the rock toe. Okay, now earthen dam components with function, and next is the pitching. This red line shows the pitching. Pitching is made up of dress stones. Okay, pitching of 30 centimeter to 45 centimeter thickness is provided by laying stones of 30 centimeter size and 40 kg to 50 kg weight on a dress upstream slope. It prevents the erosion of material on the upstream face caused due to the wave action and protects the slope from sudden drawdown. मतलब क्या होता है कि ये जो अपस्ट्रीम साइड है तो इधर में क्या होता है, वाटर स्टोर होता है, और ये जो स्लोप है ये सब केसिंग जो है वो क्ले सॉइल से बनता है. तो अगर यहाँ से जो वाटर का वेव्स आता है वो वेव्स यहाँ पे आएगा, उसके वजह से क्या होगा, ये सॉइल का एरोजन होगा. ये एरोजन रोकने के लिए ये पोर्शन कंप्लीटली क्या होता है, स्टोन से ढका रहता है. ठीक है, और उसको बोलते हैं पिचिंग. ओके, सो it prevents the erosion of material on the upstream face caused due to the wave action and protects the slope from sudden drawdown is the function of pitching. Then next is the turfing. Turfing मतलब क्या होता है, it is the planting of special type of grass called harari on the downstream face of the dam. आप ये रेड लाइन देख रहे हैं, इसको बोलते हैं टर्फिंग. दिस इज द एक्चुअली स्लोप, डाउनस्ट्रीम स्लोप. बट ए डाउनस्ट्रीम स्लोप में क्या होगा कि जब भी रेन वाटर फॉल होगा यहाँ पे, है ना, तो क्या होगा, यहाँ पे ऐसा स्ट्रीम निकलेगा, है ना. तो वो स्ट्रीम रोकने के लिए क्या होगा, क्या होता है कि ये जो पोर्शन होता है स्लोप, इसमें क्या होता है, जो ग्रास या कोई भी अच्छा वीड की यहाँ पे क्या होता है, ग्रोथ होता है, तो उसको बोलते हैं टर्फिंग. इट प्रोटेक्ट्स द डाउनस्ट्रीम स्लोप फ्रॉम एरोडिंग एक्शन ऑफ रेन वाटर इज द फंक्शन ऑफ टर्फिंग. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट shows the turfing. ये जो हरा पोर्शन दिख रहा है इज नोन एज द टर्फिंग. ओके, और ये जो यहाँ पे जो बीच का पोर्शन दिख रहा है ना, ये वाला यहाँ पे बर्म है. ओके, और ये अगेन टर्फिंग. ओके, दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्लोप एंड दिस इज द सेकंड स्लोप. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट इज द drains. There are two type of drains. L drain means longitudinal drain and X drain means cross drain. L drain should be constructed along the length of the dam and cross drain are constructed along perpendicular to the length of the dam underside the construction. So drains, a network of drain is provided with longitudinal drains, cross drains and toe drain on downstream side of embankment. L drain is a filter laid along the downstream toe of halting to collect the seepage through the embankment and divert it into क्रॉस ड्रेन. जो भी यहाँ पे सीपेज होगा वो सीपेज एल ड्रेन में कलेक्ट होगा और वो वाटर क्रॉस ड्रेन में ट्रांसफर होगा. ओके, सो is the function of yield drain. Then cross drain. Cross drains are laid at 45-degree or 60-degree or 90-degree angle to the axis of dam. It is filled with sand, gravel or and rock. The object of cross drain, it is to collect the seepage from the yield drain and downstream casing and lead it to the toe drain. Then toe drain कहाँ होता है? This is the toe drain. Toe drain collect. It is also known as collecting drain. It is a open continuous drain. It collects the discharge of seepage from cross drain and discharge it into the river or nala. Okay. Then next is the summary of this lecture. So in this lecture we learn introduction of earthen dam, typical cross section of earthen dam, component parts with their function. Okay. Okay. Then thank you very much.